Johnny Cuba had dropped anchor, waiting till he wasn't seen.
Nobody in sight. That's what I like. Time to slip in closer to port and meet my business pals.
Johnny Cuba's idea of a business pal was, like himself, a gangster.
Ahoy there! Hove to! Customs inspection! You are within port limits. I'm coming aboard! Hey! Watch out what you're doing! Careful! Oh! Ah!
Sorry, mate. The wind must have blown me off course.
Zebedee was out, as he'd been told, looking for ships or steamers, even fishing boats that might need a tow. Anything that might please Captain Zero.
Johnny Cuba. Oh dear.
Well. Captain Zero's little Zibby.
Hello, Johnny. I mean, Mr. Cuba.
G'day, nice to see you. Listen, do something for me. Slip me into the harbour so I'm not breaking the law, eh? I'll see you all right.
I'd love to, sir. Honest, I would.
No ifs, no buts, Zebedee. I need a tow right now. The wind's making me angry, upsetting me plans.
Sorry, sir. But you see, Captain Zero's giving me other orders.
Listen to me, kid. Zero owes me, understand? So don't get funny or you'll be in deep trouble. And I do mean deep.